Pangarap mo bang maging scientist, engineer o IT professional pero kapos sa budget? May DOST scholarship na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo. Yan ang DOST Science Education Institute S&T Undergraduate Scholarship. Bukas ito para sa qualified grade 12 students at senior high school graduates na hindi pa nakapag-college. Kasama rin ang qualified non-STEM students. Kailangan lang ihanda ang mga basic documents, kabilang ang good moral, birth certificate at iba pang requirements. Sakop dito ang mga priority courses sa science, engineering, computing, math, agriculture at education. Bilang scholar, makakatanggap kayo ng monthly allowance, tuition support, learning materials at iba pang benefits. Pero may return service. Kailangang magtrabaho sa Pilipinas katumbas ng taon ng pagiging scholar. Kung interesado ka, magbubukas sa August 17, 2026 hanggang September 17 ang online application.